learning the ham radio right now. As a technician, got two different kinds of antennas. So kind of want to know in the comments section which one's better. Being in the desert, as you can see the landscape, you can see a lot of landscape here, a lot of desert. So when I'm on the trying to figure out which one's better for long way, transmission, I've got the small one right here. Still trying to figure this out. Not very familiar with this yet. Got the sort of a short one right here. Then we've got the long one right here. Let me grab it 1 second. Put it on. So what's this one really for? Somebody explain it to me. Still brand new at this. If you can explain, what would be a better way to get more communication out here? I'm in the desert, getting off the grid. So either long or short antenna. Which one would be better out here in this desert oasis?